Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. Today we are making another smoked side dish. We're gonna make some smoked skillet cheesy potatoes on the Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart. We got some holidays coming up, Thanksgiving, Christmas, wherever you are, you might be celebrating some different things that involve having family over. This is gonna be a perfect holiday side dish. I mean, who doesn't love potatoes, right? I mean, I guess, of course, unless you're counting carbs. This is gonna be a really simple, easy to follow recipe, not a lot of ingredients. It's not even gonna take that long on the smoker, only about 45 minutes or so. So I am ready if you are. Let's get started. All right, so I'm starting with my 12-inch Sam the Cooking Guy cast iron skillet. I am just preheating it over medium-high heat on my outdoor burner. You've seen me use this thing before, so we've said before, this thing kind of has a mind of its own. But we're just gonna let it get nice and hot in there, and then we're gonna start adding our ingredients. All right, I'm gonna start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter. All right, with that butter melted, I'm gonna add 2 cloves of garlic. Yeah, look at that. Butter and garlic. Really can't go wrong, right? All right, I'm gonna let this cook for about 2 minutes or so, just till that garlic is nice and fragrant. Oh man, what's better than the smell of garlic? The smell of garlic mixed with the smell of butter. All right, now that my garlic is nice and fragrant, I'm gonna add to that 1 package of these frozen hash browns. These are shredded potatoes, so I'm gonna add these. They are frozen still, they're not thawed. I'm gonna add them frozen. Now I'm gonna sit this whole skillet over to the side while we take our next step. All right, next gonna start with a large bowl. To my bowl, I'm gonna start with 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Add that right in there, like that. Next, about 1½ cups of sour cream. And next, because these are cheesy potatoes, we do need cheese. So I have 2 different types of cheese here. I've got 2 cups of sharp cheddar, then about 3-4 tablespoons of Parmesan. I shredded this all myself. You've heard me say that before. Shred your cheese yourself if you want to melt it. It's gonna work so much better that way. I'm just gonna add all of this. All right, and finally, last but not least, I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of this Kinder's Butcher's All-Purpose Seasoning. You wanna use something that's kind of salt and pepper based, and this is gonna be absolutely great. So again, just about a tablespoon. All right, now, just gonna fold all of this kind of together to make a little bit of a sauce. It's not gonna look like much of a sauce right now because that cheese isn't melted, it's just not a sauce yet. But I'm only gonna mix this up just enough to get the ingredients incorporated, and we're gonna move on with our next step. All right, let's bring our skillet back. And now we're gonna put our mixture right in there with these potatoes. And now's the time when we just kind of fold everything in. So now I'm going to the bottom, I'm getting that butter, I'm getting that garlic. Just really mixing all this together. All right, seems like these potatoes are now pretty well incorporated with that cheese mixture. All right, back to the side. I'm gonna bring back our burner here. I'm gonna use a small saucepan here. To that, another 2 tablespoons of butter. And as that butter melts, I'm gonna kind of crush up some cornflakes. This is about 3/4 of a cup of cornflakes. I'm gonna sort of crush them up a little bit. I don't want them to be like dust, but I do want them to be just nice and crumbly. See, kind of like this. Kind of like this consistency. All right, just get that butter melted in there. All right, that butter is melted, so in go my crushed cornflakes. Just like that. Just mix that around a little bit. And just lightly sprinkle over the top. Buttery cornflakes. Smell delicious. All right, we're ready for the smoker. All right, the Lockhart is set to 300 degrees, just a nice even 300. We're gonna go right here in the main chamber. I'm smoking today using the Pit Boss Competition Blend pellets. In my opinion, one of the best pellets that you can get. Super versatile all-around pellet. But we're gonna go ahead and get these cheesy potatoes in the skillet onto the smoker, and we're literally just gonna let them cook for 45 minutes. We'll come back and we'll take them off when that cheese is nice and bubbly. All right, right in the middle. There we go. All right, after 45 minutes, look at that. Oh, the smell. The cheese is kind of bubbling in there. Again, the smell. Whew, next level. So good. Just gonna put a little bit of this in a bowl here. Oh man, Look at that. Oh, the cheese is just stringy, delicious looking. Oh. All right, it's time to give these delicious looking smoked cheesy potatoes a try. They're very, very hot. The smell is, smell is so good. Here we go. Mmm. Oh. Oh my goodness. Mmm. Mmm. Holy smokes, that is good. Just gonna keep eating this while we just have conversation. So how was your weekend? Do anything fun? You know what I did? Made that. Man, you can definitely taste a hint of that smokiness. It was in there for about 45 minutes. The potatoes are tender. That cheese, so good. I think next time I'll probably add a little bit more of that Kinder's Butcher's All-Purpose Rub. It's not super prevalent, and I like it to pop a little bit more, but nevertheless, this is absolutely delicious. You even get that little bit of crunch from the cornflakes. Well, hey, do yourself a favor and make this. It is so easy, as you saw. It's absolutely delicious, and it's gonna pair well with any kind of like large family gathering style food that you have as a delicious smoked side dish. Hey, thank you once again for tuning in to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, click that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, click the post notification bell to turn on notifications so you are one of the first people to know when we post new, delicious content here on the channel. And if you like what you saw here, check out one of these other two side dishes that we've done here. You could basically be the king or queen of sides at your next family gathering. So check those out, and I will see you next time.